Okay, turning this way. Okay, we're gonna need a piece like this.
Yeah, that's the one. That looks like the right one. Yep. Oh, cool. It just goes in like that.
Okay.
All right.
I'm a bit confused.
No, I think that's right. Yeah. Shouldn't be confused. That looks right to me.
Okay.
Push.
I push.
You have to push it all the way through the.
Oh.
There, like that.
I thought I pushed all the way in.
Oh, you got round bits. This looks like the round bit you need.
I need.
Just not sure which way it goes though.
Okay. Oh.
All right, let's turn it around. There you go. Good spinning.
So it goes in the very back.
I don't know. I'd go ahead with that. Yeah. Oh, it goes straight in the middle. Okay, cool. Middle one.
Middle one? Yeah, it is in the middle.
Yep.
I just need to pull it in more. Okay. Got it. Okay, where does that go?
It seems to slide in somewhere. I'll turn it for you. You take a look at it. Oh, yeah, it slides in that.
Oh, that? Yeah.
You should be able to. Did it make a click sound?
Yeah.
There, like that.
Oh.
Otherwise, it'll come out.